Ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. We're going to go forward now, okay? You got to turn it left.
Okay.
Crank it left, dude.
I am.
Okay. Look where we're going. We're going to go in between the building and the cars there, okay? You got to start straightening it out. Start straightening it out. And you got to aim the truck where you want it to go. Hey, straighten it out. We're still going left. You need to keep going right, keep going right, keep going right. Okay. Oh, too far. Too far. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. Look where you're going. Okay, now a little bit to the left.
This way?
Yeah. Now, hard right. Hard right. Hard. As hard as you can. Easy. Here. Okay, a little bit more to the right. Okay, now put it in reverse. Put the gear shift. Now push it forward to R. Here. R like pirate. Okay? Now we're going to go backwards. You got to look behind us. Okay?
This is hard to do.
I know. Straighten it up. Here.
Okay, now. I want to do this actually.
Okay. You're doing it.
Wait, why is it beeping?
Because we're getting ready to blow up. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay. Now let's go a little bit more.
I'm scared if we will crash.
Success?